Well, good evening, and thank you for allowing me to be here. My name is Diane Webb. I'm a Wayne County Commissioner. I serve the District of 8, Dearborn Heights, Redford Township, and Southeast Livonia. I've been on the County Commission for 10 years now, currently in my 5th term, and I'm seeking re-election. I am unopposed, but I don't take it for granted, so I appreciate this opportunity to come before you and to give you some updates on what I'm doing now and what I'd like to do in the next term. So I've always been a commissioner that believes in meeting the needs of the day. So when I took office in 2008, we had a major foreclosure issue. We had over 3,000 houses in Redford Township alone in foreclosure. Today, I'm happy to say we only have about 27 houses in foreclosure in my entire district. At that time, I was doing mortgage foreclosure prevention forums throughout the county. We saved, throughout the district I served in the county, we saved about 175 homes from foreclosure. In the years that followed, there were different issues that came up that were major issues. I'm learning that every 30 seconds a kid gets abducted in the United States was very concerning to me. So I partnered with Rocco Ambrose and Ambrose Academy, and we did stranger safety programs throughout the district for a couple of years, and still provide information to new parents and young parents on how to keep your kids safe. We do senior safety programs. I have partnered with Betty Napoleon, the Wayne County Sheriff, and Prosecutor Kim Worthy to do senior safety programs to teach seniors about the current scams that people take advantage of them and their trust and try to bamboozle them out of their life savings. So we work to protect seniors and children. Currently, we have an opioid crisis, and so going into this next term, I've been working with the Wayne County Mental Health Department, Substance Abuse Department, and the Livonia Save Our Youth Pro Coalition, and there's several other entities. The drug court that your judge, Karen Khalil, is very active in, the treatment court, and has held forums with Judge Linda Davis and Ken Daniels of the Red Wings, whose lives have both been touched by the opioid epidemic. And it's time to educate the kids in school about the hazards of opioid addiction and even opioid experimentation that can easily lead to addiction. So this year, in this next term, I'm going to be focused on the opioid epidemic. Also downtown, I have served on most of the committees on the County Commission, been a member of the Audit Committee for many years, still am. I chair the Committee on Public Services, so all things environment, parks, roads, mostly, and I serve on as the Vice Chair of Seniors and Veterans, and I serve on accountability and efficiency. I also serve on the Public Safety Committee. So busy downtown, but my biggest focus downtown is going to be transparency. The Wayne County Commission is the legislative body of the largest county in the state of Michigan, and we are completely inaccessible, and that's not acceptable in my opinion. We record our meetings on a cassette recorder, much like the one you probably had when you were 12 years old. We are not televised, we're not webcast, we're not YouTubed. And we hold our meetings at 10 o'clock in the morning on weekdays when most working people can't attend. And even if you want to attend, you're going to have to drive to downtown Detroit, you're going to pay to park, you're going to walk. And I just think it's not right that we represent the largest county in the state of Michigan and you have no access to the day-to-day deliberations of the county commission. So I'm currently doing my research right now with IT people and communications people in Washtenaw, in Oakland, and Macomb counties to see what they're doing so we don't have to reinvent the wheel. But I'm going to be looking for a budget through the Ways and Means Committee to afford televising our meetings. We would have to partner with the City of Detroit to do actually televised, but if they are not interested in carrying our content, then we can always webcast and YouTube our meetings so that people can see what we're doing every day, what we're talking about, and who's making what decisions, how people vote on very, very important issues that affect you and your family every day. So those are some of my major drivers. If anybody has any questions for me, you can contact my office at 313-224-0930. I appreciate the time that you've given me today, and love to serve the community of Redford, Dearborn Heights, and Livonia. I have 117,000 people in 3 communities, and it's really been an honor and a privilege to serve you. Thank you.